Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the face orientation setting to find and fix incorrect normals on your meshes in Blender. We've all been in the situation where something is off with one of our meshes, but we're not sure why. There are no duplicate vertices or faces, no inside faces, and the topology is clean with no n-gons, but we still have ugly artifacting on our mesh. If we go to the Viewport Overlays drop-down and select Face Orientation, Blender will visualize the normal of each face on our mesh, with blue signifying outward-facing normals and red signifying inward-facing normals. We can see that, where there is artifacting on our mesh, the normals are facing inwards, whereas the rest of the mesh's normals are facing outwards. To correct the artifacting on the mesh, all the normals need to be facing the same direction, outwards. So let's select our red faces and then press Shift N, which will recalculate the normals on those faces as outward facing. Now all the normals on the mesh are facing the same way, and our artifacting has disappeared. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.